In this video, we will walk through how to use the Google Sheets and Excel Sheets options in the Data Sheets section. Data Sheets allow you to import various types of non-financial data, or data not found in your bookkeeping software, to use in your reports, metrics, statements, or dashboards. To get started, open the Data Sheets section from the left toolbar and click the Create New button in the upper right. You'll then be given several options for adding a new data sheet. You can create a data sheet directly in Reach, connect a Google Sheet, upload an Excel sheet, or add a data sheet you've saved as a template. In this video, we'll focus on the Google Sheets and Excel upload options. First, let's click the Google Sheets option. On this page, you'll be able to sign in with a Google account, open the Google Sheet template, and view a help article. Let's start by adding a Google account. When adding your Google account, make sure you accept all permissions during the process. Once your Google account is connected, you can select it and choose the sheet you want to add to Reach. Note that you must be the owner of the sheet to add it to Reach. It's also recommended that you use the Google Sheet template or ensure that column A contains a unique ID for each row and column B contains a unique name for each row. This setup will also apply when uploading an Excel sheet. Once you've selected the Google Sheet you want to add, you'll be navigated to the list of sheets where you can view the added sheet. For Google Sheets, you'll notice a sync option on this page, which allows you to sync the sheet whenever new data is added. Alternatively, you can sync all Google Sheets at once using this Sync button here. Now let's walk through adding an Excel sheet. Like with Google Sheets, click the Create New button in the upper right, but this time, select the Excel option. Here you can download the Excel template and view the help article. You can either click the plus button to upload a file or drag and drop a file to upload it. Once your Excel sheet is uploaded and follows the column A and B setup mentioned earlier, you'll be navigated back to the data sheet list. From here, you can view your newly added Excel data sheet or download the sheet to make changes. After making changes, use the Update button next to the correct sheet to upload it with the new data. This covers the basics of adding Google and Excel data sheets to Reach. Now, let's go over how to use this data. In a metric or a statement, click the Add Row button to add data from your data sheets. In the Google/Excel section, expand the desired sheet and select the data you want to include. If you want to add non-date related data from your sheet, use the Add Columns button, then select the Google/Excel non-date columns option. From there, choose the columns you want to add. Keep in mind that this option is only for non-date related columns. If your sheet contains date data, use the Actuals column option as usual. That's it. Adding data sheets to your Reach reporting tools can be a powerful way to display or compare data not typically found in your bookkeeping software, or to highlight additional metrics unrelated to your financial data. If you have any questions about this feature, feel free to send us a chat.